Hi everyone, it's me, your boy Dennis. Today is the 5th of January, one day after my birthday, and one of the presents I got for Christmas was a DNA kit. Which one is it? The kit is Ancestry DNA. So I've had to do all this stupidness like spit up to the line into the tube, mix it with a blue fluid, shake it, fill out the questionnaire online, and now I will post the sample to the DNA people, and then we'll see what we've got. My predictions are probably something like 50% South American, Amazon area. The rest, probably about 30%, will be West Africa, and the rest will be round European, somewhere like that. Anyway, I'm just informing you I'm about to go to the post box and do my thing, and then I'll get back to you in 6 weeks' time and tell you, was I right? Okay, thank you.